So today, let's make some delicious banana pancakes. Start by matching your banana really well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos. And that in a bowl, you add in the milk, egg, and sugar. Mix it till it's combined. Siphon your flour. Add in some baking soda and baking powder. Mix that to combine really well. At this time, you want to add in your banana. Mix that till it's combined. Add in some water. If you don't want to add water, probably you like the consistency of the batter, you can skip that or you can replace it with some milk, better still. Let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. Our butter is ready now. In a pan, add in some oil. Don't forget to put that on a medium heat. Scoop in your butter. Spread the butter slightly and allow it to cook for some minutes. You realize some bubbles on the butter. The upper part of the butter will be a little bit dry. So you flip it to the other side. Allow the side to cook as well. Repeat the process till you are all done with the butter. Just like that, your cake is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.